Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Our today's topic is about synthesis of benzoin. Now let's dive in a topic. Aromatic aldehyde in the presence of catalytic cyanide ion dimerize to form the corresponding alpha hydroxy ketone or acyl ion. This reaction, which is reversible, is known as the benzoin condensation. Even though we now know that it is not actually a condensation reaction because no water or alcohol is produced. Cyanide ion is a specific catalyst for the reaction with aromatic aldehyde and can function in this capacity because it is a good nucleophile. It stabilizes the intermediate carbene ion and it is a good leaving group. In the mechanism outlined, the nucleophilic cyanide ion attacks the molecule of the aromatic aldehyde to form the conjugate base of cyanohydrin. It attack and form a conjugated base of cyanohydrin. The effect of the cyanide group is to increase the acidity of alpha hydrogen atom, thus allowing the formation of anion. Once generated, the nucleophilic carbene ion attacks a second molecule of the aromatic aldehyde to yield a substituted cyanohydrin. This species can then be stabilized by loss of cyanide ion to form the alpha hydroxy ketone. The electronic effect of various substituents on the aromatic ring have been investigated because in this reaction the same aldehyde functions as both the nucleophile and the electrophile. Electronic effects that enhance one of these functions are likely to inhibit the other. If a strongly electron donating group is in the para position of the ring, the reaction fails due to the increase in electron density at the carbonyl carbon brought about by the presence of the electron donor, which renders the carbonyl carbon less electrophilic. The benzoin condensation is also hindered by strong electron withdrawing groups on the ring. The presence of a para-nitro group decreases the electron density on the carbonyl carbon atom in the cyanohydrin anion, making its carbene ion less nucleophilic, which drastically retards the rate of addition of anion to the second molecule of aldehyde. The cyanide ion catalysis works only for aromatic aldehydes. Aliphatic aldehyde can, however, be condensed to a alpha hydroxy ketone in the presence of thioazoleum salts such as N-dodecyl thiazolium bromide. Thank you very much. Like, share and subscribe my channel Science Kick. Allah Hafiz.